Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this Blackstone 22-inch griddle. This is the Adventure Ready series. So let's go ahead and open this baby up and see what we have inside. So from what it looks like, you got your owner's manual with some little goodies here. You got your bag, you got your cover, you got your griddle, you got your base where your 1 pound propane tank is gonna go, and your handle. Let's go ahead and put this baby together. So you got your 4 legs here that come in the packet. You're gonna go ahead and unscrew these and attach, I guess, the legs to the base. The base has 4 holes here. 1, 2, 3, and 4 where the legs are gonna go. You are gonna need a socket, a 1/2-inch socket to be able to tighten these. Now that I have all 4 of the legs on there, I'm just gonna tighten it. I had to get an extender because there's a very little space down there, so just get yourself a little extender to help you out. Don't over tighten it. There you go, you got your legs there. So the next thing you want to look out for is the ignition needles. There's some holes down here. 3 to 7 holes in is where they want the needles to be. This is perfectly calibrated. This is your grease cup right here. Comes with a little liner. I'm gonna put that in here. There's a little slit right here. The next thing is you wanna set your griddle on top of your base. This is the main thing right here. You have some holes here that are bigger on this side than they are on this end. So you're gonna sit it down and you're gonna push it back. So just align these holes. Now we're just gonna push it back. All right, so the next thing is to attach your fuel source. You are gonna need one of these 1 pound propane little tanks. Don't worry, I will have a link on the description below if you guys want any of these products you see here. You can go ahead and click on the Amazon links and that'll help my channel out as well. But here what you wanna do is you want to go ahead and connect this to this right here and twist. And here on the right side of the grill, you're going to have the connection for your propane tank. The tank should be facing away. The next step here is to place or install the handle to your grill cover. All right, so we're going to go ahead and install the handle. This is your handle here. We're just gonna go ahead and unscrew the screws that they provided. There you go. So this baby here just kind of goes on top whenever you're not using it. Kind of protects it. It also has a couple of hooks down in the back. So what those are used for is if you ever want to just lay, back here so you can splash guard, I guess, whatever you want to call this. Have a carrying case. You just center this in the center of the case. And there you have it. Keep an eye out for another video where I'm going to show you how to season this bad boy. It does have a couple of steps. You just don't start using it because everything will stick on you. I will put a link on the description below, or I'll put a link at the end of this video so where you can go ahead and link to how to properly season this Blackstone Adventure Ready grill. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.